This weekend, I came across an eye-opening article by Jodie Cook. It explores a fascinating idea: how tools like ChatGPT can help us uncover hidden strengths and identify patterns in our personal and professional lives. The concept is simple, yet incredibly powerful. Imagine asking yourself questions like, or these kinds of prompts encourage deep reflection and reveal opportunities that might otherwise remain hidden. What struck me most is how AI isn't just about making work faster or easier. It's becoming a tool for self-discovery, helping us recognize the untapped ace cards we already hold and showing us how to use them effectively. Inspired by Jodie's ideas, I decided to try this myself. The results have been immediate. By identifying strengths I hadn't fully utilized and analyzing past wins, I've started finding new growth opportunities. It's helping me tackle challenges with a fresh perspective and more confidence. This process is already making a difference for me, and I'm excited to keep learning and sharing how it's helping me grow. If you're looking to unlock your potential, I highly recommend exploring these tools and prompts. They're simple, actionable, and the results might just surprise you. Stay tuned for more updates on my journey with AI and personal growth. Let's unlock our potential together.